In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Squarespace website design tutorial. We'll walk through customizing your site header, adjusting design elements, adding content blocks, and building out your pages using built-in sections, all inside the Squarespace editor. Start by opening your website in Squarespace and entering the editor. Look for the option to personalize your site header and logo, then click it. If the panel doesn't open right away, click again until the header editor appears. When you see the on-page highlight around the header area, select it to make sure you're editing the right region. Next, choose Edit Header and Logo to open the settings for your header. If you're prompted with another highlight, confirm it to proceed. With the header set, move to Edit section for the area you're working in. Open Background to choose how that section looks behind your content, then go to Colors to apply a palette that matches your brand. Switch to Text to adjust typography for headings and body copy so your content remains readable and consistent. Now add content to your page. Click Add Block and select a text block. Place it on the canvas where you want it and confirm any on-screen highlight to drop it into position. If you need to return to your header, click Edit Site Header again. Click directly on the main headline text to make it active. Use the text controls you see to fine-tune formatting. If a highlight appears to apply changes or confirm selection, click it so your edits are locked in. When your basic styling is in place, start building out the page with sections. Click Add Section and choose from the built-in options. Add an About section for your story, then a Contact section so visitors can reach you. Insert Team to showcase your people, and FAQs to address common questions. Add products if you plan to sell, and services to outline what you offer. Include a group events section if you host sessions or workshops. You may see more than one version. Pick the layout you prefer. Continue by adding videos for media, calendar for scheduling, menus if you're a venue or restaurant, audio for podcasts or clips, and charts for visual data. Use the on-page highlight controls to confirm placement or adjust focus as you work. When everything looks good, click Save. That locks in your changes and publishes the design updates. And that's it. Header personalized, styles refined, content blocks added, sections built, and your progress safely saved. Follow these clicks in your own site, and you'll have a clean, professional Squarespace design ready to share.